Oh yeah, okay. Here is another video about the Fibonacci's, but this time we're going to be using the Fibonacci arc. Okay, the Fibonacci arc is used to find continuations in trends and also reversals in trends as well. Okay, so we go to the insert area, go to Fibonacci, and go to arcs. Now, first of all, I'm just going to put this on the chart in any old manner. Now, what I want you to do is double click on this, and I want you to right click and go to the Fibo arcs properties, and I want you to take a focus on the parameters tab. Okay, and then basically look at the scale area. Now, if you're using a 5-digit broker like I am, alright, so you're going to have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your 5 digits. Okay, if you're using 5 digits, then you need to set the scale to 10. Okay, but if you're using just the 4 digits, then you need to set your scale to 1. Alright, otherwise it won't come out correctly. Alright. Okay, so close out there, and I'm going to delete that off. Okay, so the way this works is that we will want to take it from like, you know, two swings, like a swing low and a swing high. Alright, so where is the insert, Fibonacci, arcs. Okay, and we want to take it from a high and take it down to the low, and then we will let go, it spans out like so. Okay, and you can see that this is the 38.2 level, and then it hit it and basically pulled away. Now, what you can do is there's some strategies, is that if it pulls away and you notice it's pulled away a considerable distance, then you can use this area as your first take profit target. Okay, and then possibly you could get your Fibonacci expansion tool out, you know, and use that rule again before, and you can work out where you can, you know, put your TPs and stuff and so on. Now, if it breaks past the 61.8 level, chances are that it might continue going up. Now, there's no telling whether it's going to go up straight away. It could be, you know, going down for a bit and go sideways and then pop up. Alright, so it's kind of like a warning to let you know that, you know, this trend could change and go back the other way. But for the most part, you might see this just you know, hit the 61.8 and come back down. If it does come back down and makes a very clear signal that it's going to keep continuing, this can be done through looking at big patterns like that, you know, the big red candle there, and you know, maybe use the 50% area to go short. Not actually the 61% area, but around at the 50, and that way you'll safeguard yourself a little bit more. Alright, because you will never know whether it goes back the other way or not. Alright, so yeah, it's a pretty simple tool. There's not really much to explain really. I can just probably show you some more examples of what it looks like once they're drawn on there. Alright, take it from there to there, and it's hit the 61.8, it's come back down. Later on it hits it again, and it's come back down. But I wouldn't leave these on there for too long. You only want to wait for maybe 1 or 2 hits on them, and then, you know, redraw them again as new lows and new highs have been established. Okay, so like here is a high, here is a low. You want to see how much that's retraced. Oh, so I've got the fan on there. Fibonacci arcs, take it from there to there, and it hits the 38% Fibo, and then it drops after there. You know, basically, as I mentioned before, we could actually take a short trade right here and close it off right there. You could be even more risky if you wanted to, and you could probably like do a sell trade here, and if it goes back up to here, you do another sell trade here, and it goes back up to there, do another sell trade here, and hope for the best that it comes back down. But I wouldn't recommend it. All right. Okay, to show you, see if we can show you some more examples. Right here we can see that it's actually hit the 61.8% Fibo, and it's broken, and the trend has now changed. Okay, and let's see if we can do another one. Fibonacci arcs. Alright, and you can see this one is basically, let's make sure I've got these on the right place. This one came down to 61.8% Fibo, and then boom, up it went. It reversed the other way. Alright, so pretty short video there. Hope you found it easy enough to understand. There's not really much to understand about the arcs tool really. Alright, so I hope that's okay, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye for now.